Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how and where you can locate or access all your Instagram marketing post templates on your ClickDesigns marketing kit. So just remember that the ClickDesigns marketing kit does depend on the access level on the account that you have on the software. So right after you've logged on to your account, all you need to do is go on the top section over here and click on Templates. So after your templates load up, you'll be able to see different categories of different graphic templates that ClickDesigns has to offer. So from here, all you have to do is click on this arrow button and browse until you find a category labeled marketing. So right here, so click on this. When you click on marketing, you will be able to see different categories again of different social media platforms. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial in particular, we are going to be going through the Instagram marketing post templates. So just click on Instagram right here. So that is on the second column. So once you click on Instagram, you will immediately see templates already here. But if you want to go even further with your marketing posts, then go over here to the side and you will be able to see different categories specifically for different types of Instagram posts. Just to make your life easier, we also have the dimensions on each category. So here we have the Instagram square photo, which is 1080 by 1080, the Instagram landscape photo, which is 1080 by 566, and lastly, the Instagram profile photo, which is 320 by 320. And each respective category has their own respective graphic templates. So let's begin by browsing through each of them one by one. So first is the Instagram square photo. So simply just click on that category and you will immediately be greeted with different templates applicable for the Instagram square photo. So this is if you wish to post a plain square photo on Instagram for marketing purposes. So you can click on view more and view more of those templates. Next, let's go to the Instagram landscape photo. So same thing, these are all templates under the dimension 1080 by 566. So you can view more and see different templates for these Instagram landscape marketing posts. And lastly, let's go to the Instagram profile photo. So we have different templates here for a profile photo for your Instagram marketing account. So there you have it. These are the Instagram post templates that ClickDesigns has to offer in the ClickDesigns marketing kit. I hope that this tutorial was helpful.